Cockroaches wanna play rough. Okay, I'm reloaded. Wake up!
Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
Round 1.
What up, what up, what up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. The Seth energy. Rumble in the jungle.
Liu Kang.
You're not going to kill off something by doing the same old thing. You have to kill something off to gain something new. The Seth energy is just that. Killing off the old, destroying the old habits, old way of thinking, going into that darkness, and coming out with the new, the light. Seth killing and destroying Osiris, to create a new, or creating Horus, the hero in you. Yeah, that's the work. For y'all that's been following me for a while, fuck woke, do work. Exactly that. On the mundane and minute level, you are doing things to change your reality all the time. Example, doing it fast to gain control of your emotions, removing yourself of human mundane thought. Or an human example, if you want to be self-employed, an entrepreneur, you have to break an old habit, destroy something that is holding you back. Killing off that old habits or old mindset from employee to boss, creator, self-employed. The Seth energy is just that. Going into that internal part of yourself that is making you feel like you have to work for someone else. To breaking that mindset of money comes to me. On the macro level, we fell into these physical forms, these physical bodies to become something new, to be in a new paradigm. Atlantis and Lemuria, we were etheric beings, vibratory beings that were experiencing a new reality, Earth. We were cocooned into these physical bodies to come out on top as butterflies, into a new paradigm. Don't worry about how long we've been in these physical bodies. Talk about millions or even billions of years, just to give you a synopsis. So when the quickening does come, when the paradigm does shifts, this existence is gone and dead forever. Killed off. Don't think of the Seth energy as trauma. Trauma is you going through something not called upon. Seth energy is you taking the initiative to say, okay, I want this to happen. So in order for me to get here, I have to change this aspect that plagues my subconscious mind. From darkness to light, Seth to Heru. The Seth energy is a necessary and a must on so many different levels that I challenge all the chaos beings to invoke the Seth energy. Power up your mind to come out as new and see your reality shift.
Finish him!
Dreamwise.
Ha 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 ha!